So today it is Saturday, October 21st, and it is 11:23 p.m. And on Monday, I leave for California and I have not packed a single thing. And I'm typically somebody who likes to pack honestly a few days before my trips. I have done nothing to prepare myself for this trip or to even pack or an idea of what I'm gonna bring. I need to figure that all out tonight. And I know it's almost midnight and I'm wearing makeup and stuff, but I just got home from my boyfriend's birthday party. So I'm gonna probably make a list of everything I need to do. We're going on the trip from the 23rd to the 28th, so that's only 5 days. And I don't really need to pack that much. I'm going to be using my school backpack as well, so a lot of my stuff can also go into my school backpack. I'm gonna start off with my makeup. So for my makeup, clothing, I think that the weather in California right now is pretty warm, so I might pack let's say 3 shorts, 1 pair of jeans. As for shirts, I don't think I need to bring much. I just need to bring 5 for the 5 days we're there, and then maybe 2 backups. Although that might be a lot, my shirts are very small. I don't think that would be a big problem with the space. Sorry, it's kind of dark in my room, and also my desk is very messy, but that's just because I did my makeup earlier today and didn't have time to clean it. I'm gonna start grabbing all the clothes that I want to bring. Hey, I'm packing. Down here, 2. I have 2 options for dresses and I need your help. I bought this black dress. I have this, it's brown, it's super long. I'm kind of leaning towards this one. This? Okay, so I have everything that I'm most likely bringing, and I added a few things on that wasn't on the list, but I don't think that is too much. I have 3 pairs of shorts. I have these Hollister shorts. I bought this at a swap meet from Hawaii. So I have these, and I have these black Levi's. I love these so much. And then lastly, I have these Hollister shorts. These are actually my favorite pairs of shorts ever. This wasn't on my list originally, but I saw my Brandy skirt and I was like, I kind of want to bring this just in case, you know? So I have my black sleeveless tank top, which is actually the same thing I'm wearing right now, but just in black. This is from Shein. And then this tank top is something that I added even though it's not really on the list. I don't know if I'm going to wear it for the trip or if I'm going to wear it as an airport outfit. This is from Shein as well. And I have this Brandy tank top as well. It's the New York tank top that I was talking about from Brandy that I really like. It just says New York on the front. It's white and it goes with any of the jeans that I have, or any of the shorts that I have. And then as for the bodysuits I mentioned, I have both of them here. This one is the blue bodysuit and it's a short sleeve. I'm trying to bring shirts that will match my shorts so I don't have to pack anything specific for a specific pair of pants. And I have the same exact one but in brown, and this is what it looks like. I love these so much because they're so easy to wear and so easy to pair with anything. So these are honestly very good staples to have in your closet just in general. These are both from Shein as well. Last shirt that I grabbed is this handy long sleeve. This is the off the shirt long sleeve that I have. You've probably seen it in a video I've made before. This is my favorite long sleeve ever, and it's very lightweight, so it's not gonna keep me too super warm, but I do get very hot easily, so there's a good possibility I won't even wear this. But hopefully there's a day where it's kind of chilly, so I don't need to wear a hoodie, but I can wear a long sleeve. And then I also mentioned bringing a dress, and I have this dress from Target. I actually bought this a few months ago and I haven't worn it yet. The tag's still on it, but it's a brown dress. As for swimsuits, I'm bringing 2 sets. So the first one I have is this underwire one, and it has flowers. This is my favorite pairs of swimsuits ever. It's pink, yellow, and white. The matching bottoms, super cute. I have this yellow, same exact style as the flower one, but it's just in yellow. I got this in Hawaii for I think it was $5 because it was on sale. This bottom, which is white, which will go for this. This is from Shein. But that is everything that I have currently. This is everything that I'm most likely going to be bringing. But other than that, I don't think I'm going to be adding any more. I don't really want to overpack, but that's everything besides socks and undergarments. So I'm going to do all that off camera because I don't really want to show you guys that stuff. As for hoodies and jackets, I'm going to bring 1 hoodie and then a light sweater. I'm going to be wearing this gray hoodie from Amazon. But if I don't wear this hoodie, I'll probably just wear this light sweater that I got from Brandy, and it's very light and thin. And then I actually might add this to the list of tops. Just this white cropped Formula 1 t-shirt. When I pack for like vacations, I feel like the more tops I have, the better. I feel like you can match any top with any pairs of shorts or jeans that you bring. That's why, like, honestly, even though it looks like I'm bringing a lot of shirts, I feel like I might go through all of these in like the whole trip. So I think this is a good amount to bring. Yes, that's all the clothes that I'm bringing other than like undergarments and stuff. And I'll be packing those off camera. Since I most likely won't be wearing makeup tomorrow, I'm just gonna pack all my makeup tonight. So I have a bunch of makeup bags that I'm gonna bring, but I most likely will be bringing this Nordstrom one. It's very like plasticky or papery though. I don't know what the word is, but it's definitely not like a good material. Or this Cream Shop Minnie Mouse one. This is my favorite, and honestly, even though this Nordstrom one will probably be more convenient, I think this would be super cute since like we're going to Disneyland. But I think that I might use this, and it's thicker and better material than the Nordstrom one. As for my brushes, I like to use this little lipstick gift case from MAC. My brushes fit perfectly in here, so I like to put my brushes in here so it doesn't get my makeup all dirty. So then we bring down this. As for lashes, I feel like lashes are such a big deal in my makeup process. So I'm currently I'm using these from Amazon. It's like Kimerlo. So I'm gonna bring these. Honestly, I can't go anywhere without my favorite lashes, so I'm gonna bring these Mira lashes. Second pack already, and I love it so much. Knowing me, if I don't like the lashes I bring, I just have a backup. Literally all my clothes fit in here, and I still need to pack pajamas and undergarments, but I think I can make it work. Like my makeup and then my toiletries are here. I do think that I am gonna stop packing for now. I'm gonna go take a shower because I need to get all this makeup off of me and also pack these jeans that I'm wearing right now.